Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, right click on the start icon and select device manager. You can also search this from the search bar and open this window. Once we are here, we need to expand the disk drivers describes, and for the particular device we need to right click on it, select properties and go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Then we need to select the first option, that is search automatically for drivers, and the base drivers will be installed automatically. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then close this window. Once we are here, we need to go to search bar and type your task manager, then click here to open it, and then once we are here we need to click on run new task, then select browse button and select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then open system32 folder. Here it is, open it and find out the cmd.exe file. You can just press C to get this file quickly, and here we go. Select this and click on open. Now check this box to create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command chkdsk/f/r and hit enter, then type y and hit enter. So this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts, so we need to restart the system. Before that, just go to the search bar and simply type here Windows memory diagnostic and click here and select this. Restart now and check for problems. So this one is recommended. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete the all process and to fix the issue, and that's it guys. You can also check out the pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That's it. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.